Hey, what's up, y'all? It is Thais here. So today I will be teaching you how to do a flat twist. So this is for a total beginner who want to learn the mechanics of doing a flat twist before you learn how to do an actual hairstyle. So the same way I taught you how to braid in my previous beginner friendly video, this video you will learn how to flat twist to the scalp. So this is how your flat twist should look. So don't worry about it looking as neat as mine. As long as it is attached to the scalp, you are getting it. You will get better with practice and it'll come out much more neater as you go along. Okay, so let's do another one together. So we're going to part on this side of the twist. Make sure that it is only 1 inch thick so you can measure it by going from the tip of your finger to your ridge. So you want to go straight back. Don't worry about this being super straight. You don't have to have a straight part yet. That's another lesson to learn. Okay, so now that we have our part and it is nice and detangled, now we're going to be repeating what we just learned just to, get us in the groove. So take off a little piece at the front right here, nothing too big. As you can see, it's not that wide. And then you just split that section into two like that. Once you split it into two, we will be following that same mechanic. So we will be starting as if we're doing a regular twist. We don't pick up hair on the first one. So as you can see, my index finger and my thumb holds the hair in place. My middle finger is doing the picking up and moving the hair over. So these fingers hold. You bring the middle finger under, grab that second piece of hair, bring it around for a twist. Middle finger goes under, grab that second piece. While you're grabbing the second piece, attach a little bit of hair from the back to that second piece and bring it over. Middle finger goes under, grab that hair, bring it over. Middle finger goes under, grab some hair, bring it over. The index finger and thumb on each hand holds the hair into place. So you always have these two separated. Middle finger on the right side or your dominant hand goes under. Grab a little bit of hair. You can use your opposite hand if you need to. Make sure those two sections always stay separated. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair. Bring it over. This is much more easier than braiding. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair from the back. Attach it to that section. Bring it over. Middle section goes under. Grab it. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair. Bring it over. This is the back view. Index finger and the thumb holds the two pieces in place. Middle finger goes under that section, around to grab the second section. While you're grabbing the second section, you pick up some hair, bring it over. Middle finger goes under, grab some hair, bring it over. Middle finger goes under to grab that second section to form your twist. Pick up some hair with it. It's okay to use your opposite hand to grab some if you are new and bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab that second piece and grab a little bit of hair with it. Bring it over. Always keep your fingers as close to the scalp as possible. As you can see, my fingers are always close to my scalp. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair. Attach a little piece with it. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair. Bring it over. Now we're going to continue. Middle finger goes under to grab that second strand of hair to form the twist. While you're grabbing that second strand of hair, remember to grab some hair under it. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair beneath it. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair with it. Bring it over. Middle finger goes under to grab that second piece. And you bring it over. Keep your fingers or your hands always rested on the scalp. This is how you're going to get your twist as tight as possible. Hold it. Index finger and thumb holds the hair in place. Middle finger on the most dominant hand. My dominant hand is the right hand. Bring it over. Grab some hair. Middle finger goes under. Grab some hair. Middle finger goes under. Grab some extra hair with it. Middle finger goes under. Grab some extra hair. It's okay to use your opposite hand to pick up some hair if you're new. See? If you need help, you just pick up some hair and put it with that section. Just a little bit of hair, not too much, because you want your twist to be formed. So now we have our twist.